Do you want your Apple Watch to automatically translate any text messages in any different or foreign language? Here's how you can set up live translation on messages from your watchOS 27. Now the thing is, you'll need to set this up from your paired iPhone first. So let's open the Messages app and then just go ahead and open the conversation that's receiving messages in a foreign language. Like this one is from Spain and it's written in Spanish. As you can see, if I press and hold this message, I can translate from here. But this will just work on my iPhone, not on my watch. So for that, tap on the contact's name at the top of the conversation. And from this list of settings, just toggle on Automatically Translate option. You'll be redirected to the language options. Just choose the language that you want to translate from. And if you're doing for the first time, you might need to download the whole language pack. So when it's done, go back and just make sure both the translate from and translate to languages are set correctly. And once it's enabled, you'll see the translating indicator in the conversation. And from now on, whenever you receive a message from that conversation on both your iPhone and your Apple Watch as well, it will automatically appear translated into English or whichever language you've selected. Any question or remarks, just put it down below in the comment section. We'll get back to you. Thanks for your time.